In this chapter, we will learn how to set up the TypeScript development environment. There are 2 ways we can do it. The first method is the local environment setup. First, install Node.js because TypeScript cannot run directly in the browser. It needs to be compiled into regular JavaScript code first. Open your Windows terminal. Run command node-v to verify that Node.js is working properly. Next step, use npm command to install TypeScript package. npm I is the short form for install. TypeScript followed by -g. This command will install TypeScript on your computer globally. You can access TypeScript command from any folders. After you finish those 2 steps, run command tsc-v to check if TypeScript has been successfully installed. This method also works on macOS and Linux as well. The second method is TypeScript Online Playground. Go to TypeScript official website. Click the playground link on the top menu. You can write and run the TypeScript code in the browser window for convenience. In the following chapters, we will use the first method, create the project in local environment. Before we start to build our first project, we need a good code editor. Visual Studio Code is the most popular development tool for coding. You are welcome to use any other editors you like. So next chapter, we will start to write our first project.